In this video, we are going to learn the exact system I use to take my trades day in, day out. No more, no less. Rinse and repeat. Very simple trading system. No complications at all. So do well to watch the video till the end. And when you do, please hit the subscribe button. It encourages us to do more. Like so that the YouTube can recommend the video to others. Put your comments there. If you have any questions at all, I'm going to attend to them. I will specially make a video to help you. Okay, so we don't just share setups here, we teach. I'll teach you exactly how to approach it, and you'll find improvement and profitability. Cheers, enjoy the video. Good afternoon, people. So I'm here again. This is gold chart, 1 hour chart. This is 1 hour chart. So I just found a setup here, and I'm going to do what I do every day. I'm going to explain it the way I explain it every day. We use the same system every day. Rinse and repeat. Nothing complex. So what are we always looking for? What are we always looking for? Let me clear the chart. So first of all, what do I want to see for me to see a trade as a potential trade? I want to see market sweep an old high. So I can see that market swept an old high. Are you seeing it now? So I want to see market sweep an old high or a breaker block, as in from here market pushed up, but on returning back this could not hold it. Market passed through it. So this is like a breaker block. So I want to see either a breaker block, but in this case this is not a breaker block because it did not close above this. Are you seeing it now? It is rather a liquidity sweep. So whether it is a breaker block or a liquidity sweep, I want to see that. Are you seeing it now? I want to see that. Okay, so I want to see market sweep an old high, then turn around and break structure to the other side. So once I'm able to see that, I'm almost good. And then I want to see the other block that caused that break of structure. Are you seeing it now? So I'm going to go ahead and mark. So what do I want to mark? I'll mark the sweep of the old high. So let's mark that. Market swept this. Okay. It swept this liquidity. Are you seeing it now? It swept that old high. It turned around and broke structure. It broke structure. Gave us a break of structure. Are you seeing it now? And then what caused the break of structure? This is still 1 hour time frame. This is the guy that caused the break of structure. This green candle. So this is our order block. So I want to look for the other block that caused the break of structure. These are order block. I always like my order block to be like this. How? The highest point of the order block of the candle to be higher than the candle before it and the candle after it. So let's say for example, you can see this is a green candle. It can be any color of candle. Let's say for example here, there's no other block here, but let's say I want to check what want to use, okay, which one do we use as other block? If it was an other block, I'm going to go for this red candle because the high of it is higher than the high of this one, and then the candle before after it is not as high as it is. I see. So I want the high of the other block to be the highest, to tower. Are you seeing it now? To tower, like what do you, is it shooting star, the evening star? Are you seeing it? I want to see something like that. So once I've seen these three things, sweep of an old eye, market turns around to break structure, and then I can see the other block that caused that break of structure, I'm good. So I've marked the sweep of old eye, I've marked the break of structure. Now let me mark the other block that caused the break of structure. So I'm marking it right now. here it is. So let me change this color to something that is transparent. Good. Are you seeing it now? Now after we have done this, what's the next thing to do? We are going to scale down to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, we'll scale down to 15 minutes time frame. But before we go further, what does an order block represent? This order block represented where market moved down. Now whoever pushed down, the institutions that pushed price down, they have unfulfilled orders around there. Are you seeing it now? So they still have some orders that were not fulfilled. That means whenever price comes back to this place, we expect it to react and continue the movement down. So that is why we are expecting market to come back here, because if they wanted to push like 6 million, let's say $6 billion down, the market did not have enough $6 billion. Probably the market was able to give them $3 million. So the remaining $3 million is still around there. They still want to sell around that price. So market will come around. Are you seeing it now? When market comes back, it's going to fill it and complete the remaining $3 million. Probably. And then sometimes when market is coming around here, they will stand and see that even the liquidity in the market at that point is still not up to the $3 million that they need to push this, for market to push this market down and continue the movement. So what will they do? They will engineer liquidity. What is liquidity? They will induce people and make people to think that the market is already selling. People to start selling, wanting to sell. And if they sell from around here, their stop losses now cannot come and be here, because that would be an unprofitable venture, right? So their stop losses will be around here. Those trading lower time for retail traders and others, are you seeing it now? Their stop losses will be here because they don't have the money for it. So all those their stop losses will generate money, liquidity. Are you seeing it now? They will now pay it with their pending orders, and they will now be able to move price back down. Now this is the narrative, this is the story behind how I trade. Are you seeing it now? Rinse and repeat. So I want to see something on 1 hour time frame. Those are the things once I've seen that, I want market to come back to the other block. But before it gets to the other block, I want it to generate liquidity as inducement, induce early sellers. So I want market to come around here. Before getting there, induce people that it has not gotten there. Okay, let's just sell. And when they sell, market comes back to collect their money, pay it with this and drop. That is how I trade. Okay, so let's continue. So having gotten the 3 things we need on 1 hour time frame: external liquidity sweep, break of structure, and an order block that caused the break of structure, we are going to go down to 15 minutes time frame to refine where this order block is, to refine our entry. Are you seeing it now? So I will go back to 15 minutes, down to 15 minutes time frame. Now where is our order block on this 15 minutes time frame? I'm using this green candle here as our order block. Are you seeing it now? I'm using this green candle here as our order block, because just as I always say, you can see that the tip is high. One, it is at the extreme, and it's always safe. You spend less money operating at the extreme. Are you seeing it now? And you can see it is the beginning of where the move started. Right, it is at an extreme. Are you seeing it now? You can see the candle. If you pick the 3 candles, this candle before it, then the other block itself, and then this red candle, you can see that the high of this candle is higher than the one before this, and after it. So this is what we are picking as our order block. Very safe, that even if the trade is going to take you out, you won't spend as much as someone that put his order here. Are you getting it now? So let's refine that. Let's take this out and then mark this 15 minutes order block. This is our order block, 15 minutes. Good. So remember what I said. When price is coming, What are we looking for now? We're looking for inducement. What is inducement? That as price is returning to where the move started, as the price is returning to this place, we want it to deceive people that are not patient, to deceive them that it has started selling by this break of structure. For it to break structure on 15 minutes time frame, so that they will think it has started selling. Most of them will come and put their pending orders here. Some will even jump once it closes here, they jump into the trade. So they will think that market has started selling. They say, look at internal liquidity. They want to enter here. The market to come, clear their money, come tap into this place and drop. So the whole of this market doing this fakeness, coming here, fake market structure shift to this other side, is called inducement, to induce early buyers. Are you seeing that? Those are not patient, those that have FOMO, fear of missing out. So let me just buy. Are you seeing it now? Because even if they want to buy at this spot, even if they want to still play it safe, their stop losses is going to be very far. And retail traders, they don't have money. We generally don't have money, so it won't be a profitable trade for them. Are you seeing it now? So you pay for patience. If you don't have the capital, then you should have patience. Are you seeing it now? So this is our inducement. So want to see an inducement on 15 minutes time frame. Want to see inducement on 15 minutes time frame. And then we want to see an inducement break of structure. The inducement must break structure so that people will be convinced that okay, it's now selling, it has shifted structure. Are you seeing that? So I want to see an inducement break of structure. Are you seeing it now? So seeing this, I can now confidently place my trade where I'll come here to this other block. I'll just come a little down so I don't get missed entries. Put my trade here. My stop will be a little above this guy. Then I'll target internal liquidity. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let me get my target. I'll target this other block that is here. I picked the wrong tool. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Please manage with me, guys. I'll soon get a microphone for my video. So this other block, I'm going to target this as my exit. Okay, I'm going to target that as my exit, because market will usually want to respect another block. So I'm going to target this as my exit. So the trade is a 1:2.8. I will refine this other block down here because I usually prefer my trade to be 1:5. Yeah, I think I can refine it too. Beautiful. So let's refine the other block to this, which will most likely play out, God willing. So that's the other block on the opposing side, and it may not even hold safe. It may not, that other block may not hold. So this 1:3. I really like going for 1:5. I really like going for, because the market has turned around. I think this other block is not going to hold, and one of my reason for thinking that it's not going to hold is that it did not really sweep liquidity here. It did not dip into the low here. It was supposed to have swept liquidity. So this is just a trap. Are you seeing it now? This market will sell up to this point, and I'm almost sure that it will dump to this point. Are you seeing it now? I'm almost sure that market is going to dump to that point. All these are liquidity trap. Market comes up here, taps, is going to dump to this point. So I'm extending my, if you want me to explain why, okay, I think I'm explaining it. This is not a valid, I don't like this. This is not a valid order block for me. I have several reasons for it. I want to explain all that. I've explained what another block is on one of these my videos. But if you want me to do that again special, I can do it because of you. Put your comment. And so I'm targeting this because one, the market has changed. To me, the market has changed from a buy program to a sell program right now. Okay, so yeah, I'm shorting it. So market should get here, but let's just take this first liquidity, this internal liquidity here. This is 3.62. 3.62, 3.62. Okay, let me extend to 5R. I need a 5R. Good. So that's where I wish to get out. Now it doesn't mean that if market starts giving me signs of this and I've seen 1:3 that I won't take my money and get out. Are you seeing it now? So this is my outlook for gold, guys. This is my outlook for gold. This is my outlook for those. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, now I put out these videos before they happen. I do it every time. I'm not scared of doing it because my aim is not to win every trade. My aim is not to show that I know how to trade, that all my trade setup always play out. My aim is to execute according to my proven system that works. So irrespective of the results, is to execute, is to show you. My aim on this channel now is not to show you that I am making money, or is not to flaunt anything. My aim on this channel is not to show you that I hit. No, my aim is to what? Is to explain. So if I took a trade and it goes well, I will explain to you, okay, this is why it goes well. Before it goes well, I'm going to show it to you. Many people will not show you a trade before it happens. They will share, they only come and tell you after it has played out. Some will come as far as just showing you the trading view, what they just envision, and maybe they never took the trade. You know, it's a different thing to be an analyst, and then it's another different thing to be a trader, to hold the trade. Hold the trade for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. To hold the trade, the emotions. It's another thing to hold the trade to full TP. Some people will chicken out in after a little profit, but still maintain that they held the trade. Are you seeing it now? My aim is not all that. My aim is to come and show you how I do it. Are you seeing it now? My aim is to show you how I do it so that if you are struggling, you stop struggling. Okay, so please do well to like this button so that the algorithm can recommend it to other people, so I would get encouraged. Okay, so that you won't come tomorrow and not find that I'm not making videos like this. Okay, thank you.